His real name is Halil Ibrahim Ceyhan. Her real name is Yagmur Shabazova. He is also known as Halil Ibrahim. She is also known as Yagmur. Date of birth December 13, 1982. Date of birth February 30, 1987. Present age is currently 14 years old. Present age is currently 36 years old. He was born in Sivas, Turkey. She was born in Azerbaijan. He is a Turkish by nationality. She is also Turkish by nationality. He is an actor and model by profession. She is an actress by profession. Years active 2010 to present. Years active 2011 to present. His religion is Christian. Her religion is Christian. His height is 6 feet 1 inches tall. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches tall. His ethnicity is white. Her ethnicity is also white. His zodiac sign is Virgo. Her zodiac sign is Sagittarius. Marital status is unmarried. Marital status, she is also unmarried. Girlfriend affairs, maybe it's rumor. Boyfriend affairs, maybe it's rumor. Net worth $1 million to $5 million. Net worth $1 million to $5 million. I hope you like it. If you're new to my channel, like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching.